morning, guys. Jamaican are the best TV. I would just have a jump right in the news. Yeah, man. I'm gonna see what I'm going for, what I'm going.
Somebody said, so I'm to Vado. Well, alright. So at the end of the day, me never hide. If you don't want to hide and talk about put the motor ground, me never hide and put my motor ground. From me here say, Vado come out for your next team. Quickest thing in my head, I have to weaken him. I have to weaken him, blood clot. You never know. A Jamaica, me come here to represent for me no care anybody when did come out for your next team and them would get the same treatment. Me no care who it become. You have to understand, say, this is a clash. This is a clash, so everybody make them choice and everybody have them own big people. So if you take up your own choice and say you're going to go up against we, you are going to get where come, you are going to get where going up against we come with. So we only did what me for do. Go take a laugh and say, you're crazy. Me look like mad man. Me look for me good. Look for me. We only did what me for do. Since as Uno say, me this and me that, I'm a bagger, me love war. Uno tell me what only did what me for do. When me hear say, my artist from Jamaica, they on another team, what should I have done? Since as me love war, Uno talk and tell me then. What me should I do? When me hear say mavado will come out for your next team, what me should I do? Me gonna figure different, my culture, my Jamaica, win me gonna if you win. Tell me what me should I do? Since I do not talk, so Uno tell me what me should I do? Me should I laugh and come off the stage? Me, Gracie, should I laugh and come off at the stage? Crazy? You mad? Me have to slap it up. Me have to slap it up. I say, when it is I get nervous, when time me say, hey, that clash. Hold on, let's get them quiet a little bit.
Shawnee B sitting.
Shawnee B, remember I was watching you to see if he was going to represent for another team, yeah?
What did I tell you?
You tell me you can't sell out the country, so you're doing the right bomber clock thing. One way!
Never sell out the country. What do we have to say about Mavado then?
Me don't tell him already on stage, you can never sell out the culture. You never sell out the culture, you can't do that for £5. You're crazy. From the price of a 2 quid.
Shaggy, you did it right.
Don't put the sorry of yourself. The police the button gun and clicky there. So we have the gun. Jesus Christ, man, bring us up and shoot him. There's something here coming us up. You don't get it? I should have killed him. Oh, they're not shotting. They're not shotting. You shot inside. This was blood up.
So where boy they know?
You don't get his shot. Yeah, look so. Kind of don't funny hand. No, sir. You can't understand. Let me check and you can tell everything. Alright,